This is the side of my house, and I bought a ladder years ago to get up there, and it's just barely long enough. And even as short as it is, I still can't put it up there by myself. My son and I used to get it up there, but I'm here by myself most of the time. It's almost impossible to get on that roof, you know, without having to call somebody to come help me get a ladder up there. And then the ladder's super heavy and all those kind of things. So here's what I decided to do. So I cut a hole in the roof and made this hatch to go on top of it. And now it's waterproof, and all I got to do is go up in the attic, pop the hatch, walk out on the roof, and I'm ready to go. This is the hatch opening, and it's roughly 24 by 24. I cut it to fit the width of my trusses. The height is 7 inches, and then the flashing I put around it was 10 inches, so it comes up 6 inches and then it goes out 4 inches up underneath the shingles there. And I soldered in pieces into the corners. I've got a different video I'm going to do on soldering galvanized steel. It took me years to figure out how to do that correctly. And then as you can see, the gate latches there to hold it down in place. The top of the hatch is just made out of some 3/4 inch plywood, and then I made a galvanized lid for it and soldered the corners of that and also the flashing to make it waterproof. All right, let's go up in the attic and I'll show you what it looks like from the inside. So up here in the attic, I have attached a couple of 2x4s to the trusses and then laid some flooring on top of that. And then that leads to the hatches right there in the roof. I've got a 2x4 laid there. That's just kind of acts as a ladder to help you get up there. Now, looking up at the hatch from the inside, I've got 2 big handles on it, and then a couple of just gate hooks, one on each side. That keeps it down so it can't blow away. I don't know that anybody will actually do this, but I thought it was an interesting idea that somebody might also benefit from. Hope this was interesting to you. Thank you for watching.